Sir.
Mhm.
Sir, regarding my, career perspective, everything I have, okay. So last 10 years, I'm working in the IT field professional. Everything is going smooth. But the
Mhm.
thing is that there is no stability. So last 4 times I have changed my job, and when there are so many projects are there, so in that 2 3 months I have spent in that project, and suddenly it's changed because of some client issues there with managers or colleague. I don't know why there are some issue. It's a fault on me or something, why I'm not stable, or because I'm working properly, very sincerely. Somehow some communication or miscommunication is there. So it's very difficult to cope up with them. And uh, one issue I have, I am very blunt, as it's very difficult. I'm last 2 years, sir, I'm watching your videos also, and I'm trying to calm down that, cool down. So somehow, if someone is saying which is not right, I suddenly, my voice is raised. I don't know why. I have to control many times, but I am trying last time. And the main issue is right now, uh, stability. The issue with the stability. So some 2 3 or 2 months or 3 months I'm working in a project, something has happened, then I have to move to another project. So like this one, this is a main issue which I am having right now, sir. So it's a karmic, or how it will be.
It can
And
be,
what?
it can have multiple factors. Most of the time it's a combination. Sometimes it's a karmic, and sometimes it's also because of your mind programming. I have seen people jo, who had programmed their mind to the extent that okay, मैं तो कहीं पे भी stable नहीं रहता, मैं तो कहीं पे, मुझे ना एक ही काम को बार बार repeat करना पसंद नहीं है. This kind of thing he had in mind. And this kind of mindset resulted into an unstable condition finally, because मैं तो कहीं पे भी stable नहीं रहता, because he is the kind of programming he has done for the mind. The mind is always constantly repeating the pattern that you had inserted into that. You are programmed. So it goes by. So one factor could be your mind programming. Another factor could be your past life karmas. Because of that, you have to move on to different places. Because I had faced a similar time period in my life where I had to faced we have to change around, because I've been in IT field as well. So around in one year time period, I had to change for 4 places, 4 different companies for certain amount of time. Then I stayed with that company for around 7 years, but there was some instability in certain point of time, and I saw that. So it was all because of my karmic, because I had to be with those people for some time, and as the karma get over, you move on to the other one. So don't first of all try to change your mindset. The karma we cannot change as of now, but you can change your mindset. Say that I'm stable, and whatever project I will be getting now will give me a lot of stability. So you can change yourself, and once you change yourself, the rest all will be changed automatically. So let's move on to that. Let's stay positive with that, and accept that the change will be fine.
जी भगत
Is
जी,
that okay?
भगत जी एक सवाल है मेरा, ये